I absolutely love this wooden shelf that we got on Amazon. It's funny because the picture of this shelf on the Amazon listing was actually the inspiration for the fireplace remodel. So we did the fireplace remodel based on the picture of this wooden shelf. Coming in closer, you can see it's nice and thick, and this is solid wood. So your finish is like a real wood stain finish, and it is a floating shelf. After you mount it, underneath you can see there's a little hole on that side, over there, and on the other side. Those are the mounting screws. So you put the bracket onto the wall, and then those secure the shelf. Putting the bracket onto the wall, they do provide all the hardware, but what I did is I marked off where the studs are, and then I drilled a hole through the steel so that I could put a screw straight into the stud. That way I know it's really secure. And you can pull on it, you can see there's very, very little, if any, movement mounting it the way that I did. Super nice, clean look, and like I said, the inspiration for this whole fireplace was actually from the picture on the Amazon listing on this shelf.